Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations. This is the 10th day challenge video. Let's begin. At the time I'm recording this 10th day challenge video, it is 9:20 p.m. on 1st June, and the way challenge is going, it's so encouraging. Thank you so much for all your participation. Let me start sharing the story for today. I live in Bangalore, but the previous weekend we all decided to go to our native, which is actually a village in Tamil Nadu. So we all decided to go there, meet people, visit temple, pray God, and come back. This was our agenda. Normally, when we go to our native, we generally take a local taxi and then move around and come back. But this time, we decided to take local bus and enjoy the local travel so well. So morning when we were in the bus stand to take a bus to our native, there was an elderly lady who approached us and asked, "Can you buy me breakfast?" We didn't even give a second thought because right next to us was a local restaurant. We went there, bought her food, gave her, and she was extremely hungry. She said, "The food is not enough, so please buy me some more." So we bought her, we saw her eating. We were quite happy that we could help someone, um, for their breakfast. So they are not empty stomach, they are not hungry. So we were quite happy with it. And that's it. We boarded the bus, went to Native, met people, had a very good time. We went to our family temple, prayed God, felt blessed. So the day went on like that. And late in the evening, when we wanted to get back to the place where I live here, that's Bangalore, at Native, I had to take a bus to a nearby town. And from that town, I had to board another bus back to Bangalore. That's how our travel plan was. Again, in the evening, when we were waiting for bus at Native bus stand to go to the town, there was an elderly man who approached us and asked, "Can you buy me a cup of tea?" Again, we didn't give a second thought. We not only got him a cup of tea, we also got him some snacks that was available in the shop next to that tea shop, and he was quite happy. We saw him having these snacks, and both in the morning and evening, people, both of them blessed us so much. We felt overwhelmingly happy and peaceful, and that's all about it. However, what got me thinking was both in the morning and in the evening, when that elderly lady or this elderly man asked us for food and tea, there were a whole lot of people in that bus stand. Why these two people did not ask anybody but only us? I was discussing this with one of the guru that I know, and he gave a beautiful explanation. And he said, "No, no, Radha, it works like this. People with a very positive aura will emit a lot of positivity, and people who are in need, they feel safe to ask such people who display positivity." And that's the reason these two people, that's in the morning and the evening, people have approached you asking for help. So that's when I understood, and he also gave some examples, people who have greater positive aura will have dogs, cats, any pet animals will be instantly get friendly with them. There are a lot of such examples my guru gave me that particular day. Have you any time felt such things happening to you in your life? Like you are there and there are a lot of other people are also there around you, but someone chose you to ask you for help. Remember, if you have experienced such thing, it only means you have an amazing positive aura with you. So today's positive words are positive aura. What do you know about aura, and how do you think you can improve it? Or if you have experienced something similar to what I just explained, please do let me know in the comment section. Let me understand about this positive aura more. We just finished the mandala for day 10 challenge. Go ahead, recreate it, and share it with me.